My great people in the world, I am happy you've all seen the lies Adajesus lied and heaped on me. I am happy I've been vindicated. A lot of people called me from every part of the world asking me to forgive her because I said I will not forgive her. I am here to tell all of you that I've forgiven Adajesus. Onye a na-akpọ m ebe, onye a na-akpọ m ebe, onye a na-akpọ m ebe, agbayala Ada. From my heart of hearts, Adajesus, I've forgiven you. But I want to sound a note of warning. Onye kele ikwu okwu nya donu nwa arụ ani na-ekwu. Unu akpọlizi na men of God. It's not for you. It's for God. Omuna dibia bia n'iru be kita wele ife togbo. Efi arụ ana amai kale na-atụ egwu ịgbafue. Man of God wele Bible bia debe n'iru be gi efi a ina aba. Who kept this? Bible. Anye need right now no so one. Stop insulting men of God, particularly my man of God, Prophet Chukwuemeka Ohanemere Udumejeje. Well, only a solo no monso. All the mumanya kamuwa jiwe no nye nebe ono. Bali debe no makanani mesi Udumeje. Akadi onye mweli afilisi. I am comfortable staying with him. Chebedi makenodo, leave us alone. Adajesus, abayalugumi. From my heart of heart, like I said, abayalugumi. My fans, wherever you are, the whole people in the world, bikunu, abayalugumi Adajesus. Thank you for intervening. I thank all of you for intervening. I thank all of you that called to ask me to forgive her. I have forgiven her. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Dalono munnem. Ogosinono from Naya. Dalono. Thank you, all my fans.
Separate. But as for Pericom, I will go John Macapelcom. I just enjoy Pericom. Biko Oga would make a Pericom and the family. The girl would almost a year and mana in the Assam social so I saw me over to me Rema Hoko Mamoyi and Humana Social na grow na pharmacy na since December Humana Zaza ma from me adema agawuzije adekwem kume so ngazi asino bitini ebutoram owo kidney problem na obuna ego dikaga mem transplant na India tondo mudenye maka ego for obere kozo ona modiko bitina na memo bana too much nyen na ngo 3 times a week really na too much I mean like so some feature who can lift us down I do ask wow when you know